Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Franklin Leatherworks. So if you don't know what this is, they basically make leather, which they claim. So they sell bags like these, and right off the bat guys, I'm just going to say that this website seems shady and is more than likely a scam. So why did I say that? Since they didn't even put any effort into making this website. As you can see right here, it looks very unorganized, and this image looks really AI generated. So as you can see from this image also, both of them are AI generated, and as you can see, these are very simple products. Very simple commands in the website itself. So please guys, I would advise you to against buying from them, since you might as well get scammed. As you can see, these bags are not even real right here. So please guys, avoid websites like these. They're more than clearly a scam. They even have a closure sale, since why would they close? They just made the website. They're just looking for an excuse to be on sale. And this is actually the original price. This doesn't actually cost 12,000 pesos, which is roughly equivalent to like $300. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.